Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Photoshop with a document open. Double-click the foreground or background swatch to launch the color picker dialog so you can act now. Once open, press D to reset foreground/background to default black and white. This gives you a clean baseline. Make sure you know the numeric values you want, HSB, RGB, or a hex code. That way you avoid guesswork and get exact colors quickly. Now proceed to set the specific channel values. Once the color picker is visible, you'll enter values precisely. Type H, S, B, or R, G, B numbers directly into their boxes to control hue and brightness, because manual entry prevents drift. If you work for the web, paste the hex code into the hash field and hit OK to lock that color. Alternatively, use the eyedropper or click on your canvas to sample an existing color. This ensures consistency across layers. Make sure to click OK to apply. After applying the color, save it to your swatches. Open Window, choose Swatches, then click New Swatch so you can recall it later. If you need a factory slate, open the Swatches panel menu and choose Reset Swatches, then Replace to restore defaults. Once done, make sure your document is in the correct color mode, RGB versus CMYK, and verify Edit Color Settings if colors still look off. This fixes most mismatches caused by profiles or proofing, and keeps your picker accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.